Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Chrysler Jeep Compass. So, okay, you'll see here, no matter what it's on, so it's on nav. If we go to phone, phone's there, there's no phones connected. No phone connected, would you like to pair a phone? Well, the answer is going to be yes, but I'm going to go to Bluetooth first so you can see what happens. So we're on Bluetooth here, and now I'm going to click yes. Start pairing procedure on phone or Bluetooth device, vehicle device name, Uconnect, pin 3183. So we've picked up somebody's bedroom TV across the road there. Uconnect, here we go. So we'll click on Uconnect. Please confirm displayed pin matches on your device. Well, yes, it does. Click pair on the device. Bluetooth pairing successful. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. The device supports phone and audio. So allow contacts and favorites to sync. I need to turn that down quick before I get a copyright strike. So that's it. Uconnect connected. It's as simple as that.